Hello my dear crafters, this video is very quick. It's a quick tip for you on saving your paper, something that occurred to me years ago and I just thought, why not share. So do you know when you're making cards and you mat, not just cards, but it can be a folio, a mini album, a notebook, anything, and we have a panel like this one, but we want it to pop and we say, well, I'm going to mat it with another paper like this just to give this outline because it does make a difference. This is another example for you. It does make it pop, but here is what I want to share with you. And I have another one. So I have a panel here that I prepared for a card, and yeah, it would be very nice if you just glue this here. It would be a nice card, right? But look at the difference it makes when you mat it with a color that makes it pop. Look at the difference. So that's fine, and this is not what the video is about. The video is about saving some of this paper because all we need actually is just the outline, right? So what I do to save paper and to have a lot of cutouts for my next card, and you guys know that I do a lot of scenery making, is I get my punches, either punches or even not scissors, but use your dies, cutting dies too. And what I do is I just cut a little bit of the paper. I make, for example, I can get quite a few of these flowers here, inside of this mat that will not sacrifice anything. I'll try something different. I make a lot of bunches that have circles. I use those a lot. So that's enough, but the idea here is to show you that you don't have to waste this paper because it's not going to show. And look what you're left with. You're going to be left with a lot of elements that you can use later. So I'm just going to put this aside, and it will really make no difference in terms of your card. Here it is. You can still mat it. You will glue it. Nobody will see that because then you're going to glue that to your card like that. And there you are. You still have the matting. It will make it pop. It looks much better than without it. But you saved paper and you ended up with all this. And when it's big, this is just a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 card. But if you have bigger cards, then you have even more paper, and you can use the center with your dies. And yeah, that's just a tip for you guys to have. I have boxes full of these things that I use on my sceneries, so it's really nice. Just get the elements that you use most often and just cut it out of that mat that you otherwise would waste. This whole center here, it will make no difference. So that's my tip for today. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on my next video.